The Millvado Granite Egg Pan is a fantastic little helper in the kitchen. It's an 8-inch nonstick frying pan. This small skillet is perfect for whipping up single-serving meals. Think fluffy omelets or perfectly fried eggs. The granite nonstick coating is healthier. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. This pan suits many stovetops including electric, gas, and even induction. It makes cooking a simple and enjoyable experiencia. The silicone handle on the Millvado Granite Egg Pan gives you a comfortable and secure grip. It stays cool to the touch. This means no more fumbling or accidental burns. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook perfectly every time. You'll notice a big difference in your cooking ease. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store. It won't clutter your cabinets like bigger skillets might. Imagine starting your days with a flawless breakfast thanks to this pan. For its size and price, the Millvado Granite Egg Pan offers great value. It's a reliable cooking pan. It's built to handle everyday cooking conditions. While it might not be for large family meals, its performance for smaller portions is outstanding. There's really no negative comparison to make for its intended use. If you need a small, reliable non-stick pan, the Millvado Granite Egg Pan is a smart choice. It delivers on its promises of ease and healthy cooking. Pros: healthier cooking, granite coating, omelet and eggs, small 8-inch size, silicone grip handle. Comfortable to hold, electric stovetop okay, gas stovetop okay, induction ready to, easy to clean. Pan cons: non-stick may degrade, handle could break, may warp over time, uneven heating possible, not for high heat, coating can scratch, not metal utensil safe, durability is a concern, smaller 8-inch size, only one user rating. Features: non-stick 8-inch size, small skillet, granite coating, healthier, omelet pan, egg pan, cooking pan, silicone handle, easy grip. This 8-inch Millvado frying pan is a small, non-stick skillet perfect for cooking eggs and omelets. It has a granite coating that is advertised as healthier and makes food slide off easily, so you don't need a lot of oil. The pan also features a silicone handle that is easy to grip and stays cool while you're cooking. It can be used on electric, gas, and induction stovetops. The Millvado 8-inch nonstick frying pan is a small skillet with a granite coating that helps food not stick, making it good for cooking things like omelets and eggs without using a lot of oil. It has a silicone handle that's easy and comfy to hold and can be used on electric, gas, and induction stovetops. While it's easy to clean because of the non-stick surface, this coating might wear out over time, and there's a chance the handle could break or the pan could warp if it gets too hot. It's not meant for very high heat or metal utensils, as these can scratch the coating, so how long it lasts could be a concern. Keep in mind that this is a small pan, and there's only one review from a user.